Hi student, from today onwards we start the paper 1. In paper 1 we start the second chapter, that is data structure. So you familiar with data structure concept, but not in that sense. You know record, you know information, you know entities. Okay, now let us start. Everyone know data. In general way, we define the data that data is a raw fact that given to machine to execute. So data is a raw material, a raw fact. After executing that data converted into meaningful known as information. So in regarding data structure, we define data as it is a single value or set of value. Data is a single value or set of value. Data items refer to a single unit of information. Data items divided into sub-items, they are known as group items, and those are not divided, they are called as elementary items. Example, name, my name, your name consists of first name, middle name, last name. So that name is a data item that is further divided. Therefore, that name considered comes under group items. Second example is pin code. Pin code. That pin code are not divided, further divided into subcategory or sub-item. Therefore, they are considered into elementary items. This data item, those are divided. Those are comes in group items. Those are not divided. They are comes in elementary item. Now we take another entities term, record, information. Okay. All of us familiar with record and information. So entity is a new term. Okay. Now I can explain. Entity. So entity means entity is something that adds certain attributes or property. Entity means something that has certain attributes or property. There is an entity. Now take one example. Suppose student is an entity. Student is an entity. So what are the properties? Name is a property, age is a property, and gender is a property. So the property known as attribute. Means student is an entity. So name, age, gender, contact number, they are the attribute. So how you will define the entity? Entity means something. It may be student, it may be bank account, it may be table, it may be chair, and their properties like chair property, color property, material property, that is the attributes or property. Okay. So in that example, suppose student is an entity. So name, age, gender, they are the properties. Then information. Information used for data with given attribute. Information used for data with given attribute. Now this is a small example. Suppose this is the Excel sheet. In Excel, we are writing rows and column. So name is a column, age is a column, and gender is a column. So that is a column, or you can say properties. Okay. Now in first I write name, Shri, age and gender. So this form, that first record and these first things explain about, giving information about the Shri, means their age and gender. So Shri is a particular, show the information. So information means data with given properties. Again, information means data with given properties. That is a information. Further, this also known as record. Record means collection of all field value known as record. So that three record. How many fields are there? Columns are there. Three columns. Name, age, gender. So collection of all attributes is also known as record. Collection of all field value of an entity is known as record. Now file. Suppose in that Excel I put 10 record. This is the Shri one, first one, second record, then third record, then fourth record, and then I will save it as a file. तो मशीन में जो भी सेव होता है, कोई भी एप्स हो या कोई भी एप्लीकेशन प्रोग्राम हो, तो वी आर सेव इन फॉर्म ऑफ फाइल्स. तो पर्टिकुलर दैट एग्जांपल अगर ये फाइल में सेव करता हूँ 10 रिकॉर्ड, तो 10 रिकॉर्ड मेरे क्या होंगे? सेव होंगे एक पर्टिकुलर फाइल. फाइल्स मीन collection of all record or collection of all entities is known as file. So that is the concept. So before going to data structure, we know that record, information, entity. Okay. Now, so what is data structure? All these are the we use for storing the data. Now data structure is a new concept. It is a logical or mathematical structure of any organization is known as data structure. That is definition. Logical and mathematical structure of an organization. It is known as data structure. So in that chapter we are studying different types of data structure. फर्स्ट वन इज अरे. तो अरे इज अ फैमिलियर वर्ड, आपको मालूम है बच्चों को अरे क्या होता है. सेकंड लिंक लिस्ट, थर्ड ट्री, फोर्थ स्टैक, फिफ्थ क्यू. ये सभी एल्गोरिथम, सभी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर आपके सिलेबस में है. अब डेटा स्ट्रक्चर यूज कहाँ होता है? डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का यूज होता है मेमोरी में जो भी सेव होता है वो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर की वजह से सेव होता है. किसी प्रोसेस में अरे यूज होता है, किसी में स्टैक होता है, क्यू होता है, ट्री होता है. तो मेमोरी डिजाइन के वक्त डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का यूज होता है. अब सेकंड टॉपिक है अपना ऑपरेशन ऑफ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. तो ऑपरेशन ऑफ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में बहुत सारे पांच या छह ऑपरेशन है उसके. फर्स्ट है ट्रैवर्सिंग, सेकंड है इंसर्टिंग, थर्ड है डिलीटिंग, फोर्थ है सॉर्टिंग, फिफ्थ है मर्जिंग. तो दे आर द ऑपरेशन. क्या बोला मैंने? फर्स्ट वन इज ट्रैवर्सिंग, सर्चिंग, इंसर्टिंग, डिलीटिंग, आफ्टरवर्ड्स सॉर्टिंग एंड मर्जिंग. अब इसको अपन एक एक करके देखते हैं. ओके. तो फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन इज मर्जिंग. सॉरी, फर्स्ट ऑपरेशन इज ट्रैवर्सिंग. ट्रैवर्सिंग मीन्स accessing each value at once. This is the definition of traversing. Okay, now we explain in detail. Now, see there, traversing. First operation is traversing. So traversing means accessing each value at once. अभी जो नीचे मैंने डायग्राम बनाए वो क्या है? वो है आपका अरे. तो व्हाट इज द अरे? अरे स्टोर लाइक वेरिएबल स्टोर सिंगल वैल्यू, अरे स्टोर मल्टीपल वैल्यू, बट इट इज अ सिमिलर टाइप वन. मीन्स अरे इज अ अरे स्टोर द होमोजेनियस एलिमेंट. तो ये आपका अरे है. मैं आपको एक ट्रैवर्सिंग का मीनिंग बता रहा हूं. तो अरे, ये आपका अरे है, अरे हैविंग 4 वैल्यू ए बी सी डी, और ये उसका है इंडेक्स नंबर 1 2 3 4. Now I want to read all the value one by one. Means I want to read A, afterwards B, afterwards C, afterwards D, but only once. So this is known as traversing. So traversing means, remember, traversing means accessing each value at once. So it is known as traversing. Second is inserting. Third is deleting. Now inserting. In above example, there are 4 values. Suppose I want to add another value in particular array. So that array, that value comes in 5th block. So I need one memory block. So adding an element or atom is known as inserting. Like that, suppose I want to remove B value from that array. Means I want to remove. So remove refers to deleting operation. Removing means delete karna. So deleting means removing the atom from an array or any data structure. So this operation is not particular for array. It is for array, linked list, queue, tree. So that is the third operation is deleting. Fourth is sorting. Sorting means rearranging the atom in particular order. एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में, वेदर इट इज इंक्रीजिंग और वेदर इट इज अल्फाबेटिकली, इसको बोलते हैं आप सॉर्टिंग. देन मर्जिंग. Merging means joining. Merging means joining two different array, two different data structure. That is means merging. Sometimes we join two files and make a single one file. This operation is known as merging. So they are the operations. Which one? Traversing, inserting, deleting, sorting, and merging.